I'm Becky Howard from PGRO. I'm the R&D manager and we're here at the PGRO Pulse Trial Ground for our open day today. We've got 10 hectares of pulses, mainly peas and beans and lentils and chickpeas here at Stubton in Lincolnshire. And we've got a rough sort of split of thirds across the trial ground, a third of efficacy work, looking at new products coming through to control pests, diseases and weeds, and we compare those against our standard products that people are already using in peas and beans. We have just under a third of the trial ground dedicated to our alternative crops, so those are chickpeas and lentils, and we're looking really at variety trialling of those species as well as the general agronomy, so that includes herbicides in lentils, we're looking at plant density and herbicides in chickpeas. And we do have projects at the trial ground this year as well. So one of our bigger projects that we're running is the NCS project, which is looking at the climate impact of inclusion of legumes in rotations. We also have some PhD projects here. So we've got one of our students, Tammy from Harper Adams University, who's looking at nutrition in field beans and the impact that has on nodulation in beans. And we also have Lottie from Cambridge University, who's looking at pollinators in field bean varieties, as well as the impact of our flowering margins on pollinators and whether that impacts pollination in beans. The other third of the trial ground is then dedicated to our varieties, and Chris Judge is our variety lead here at PGRO, and we conduct variety evaluation for combining peas and field beans at this site, both winter beans and spring beans, and then all the vining pea variety evaluation is done at our other site at Nocton. So this year the crops are looking really good. We've had quite a challenging drilling season in 2024, so we've had to sort of hit good drilling windows when we can, but actually the crops have done exceptionally well considering the challenging conditions that we've had and the amount of rainfall we've had. There are a few issues. We've got the odd patch of foot rot in the trial ground, but nothing major, and some diseases in beans that are just starting to take a hold now. But overall, I'd say the crops are looking really excellent this year.